Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain what is a switch. A switch is basically an alternative for using many if and else if statement. So for example, I create a program which will prompt the user to enter their grade. So this will be of the char data type char grade. Then we create some prompt standard output what letter grade standard input grade. Then let's create some if and else if statement. So if parentheses curly braces, the condition will be if grade is equal to A. So make sure to add single quotations equal to the character A, and we will display standard output. You did great. And let's copy this, paste it, but change it to an else if statement. So else if grade is equal to B, standard output, you did good. And let's paste it. Else if grade is equal to the capital C, you did okay. And copy again. Else if grade is equal to D, standard output, you did not do good. And last case, else if, maybe let's copy what we, let's paste what we copied. Else if grade is equal to the character F, standard output, you failed. And let's add an else statement. So else, we will display standard output. Please only enter grades A through F. And we can run this program. I'll add a new line. And let's run this. What letter grade? I received an A. You did great. B, you did good. C, you did okay. D, you did not do good. F, you failed. And then let's test our else statement. Here this terminal. Please only enter grades A through F. And you see that all of this code is a little bit of, ugly because it is too long. You know what the solution is? A switch. So to create a switch, you will type the keyword switch, parentheses, curly braces. So we will write some condition or some value to examine. We'll pass in our grade. So we're examining our grade against many matching cases. So today we will type case A. So if our grade matches the case A, we will display standard output. You did great. Then make sure to add break. And let's add semicolon. And let's copy this. Paste it 5 times. And case B. So someone received a B. So the switch needs to be, the curly brace needs to be in here. And you did good. Case, so I'm going to format this a little bit. Case C, you did okay. Then case D, output, you did not do good. And the last case, case F. Here I'm going to output, you failed. And break. Then you could add a default case. So default semicolon. So the default case is kind of like the else statement. So we will standard output, please only enter grades A through F. And let's run this program. What letter grade? A, you did great. B, you did good. C, you did okay. D, you did not do good. And let's test F, you failed. What letter grade? Pizza. Please only enter grades A through F. And yeah, everybody, that's basically a switch. A switch is basically an alternative for using many if and else if statement. If you like a copy of this code, I'll post it in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!